Let's look for bubbles. Good morning, it's day 92. I'm trying to shovel food in my face so I can get started with some energy. I only have about 13.5 miles today, but that's still a decent day of hiking. Should be done around 2 o'clock. Going to Front Royal. I don't know why, but I keep saying Front Royale. I think I've said it many times. Front Royal. No, not Royale. But while I was sitting here, I noticed something with my backpack. So I'm staring at my backpack, and the shoulder pads, I thought I'd feel them. And they feel pretty good. But then I thought, wait a minute, why is that so flat right here? The bottom part's good, top part's flat. Like, super flat. See that? But of course the camera. So I think the camera is actually flattening the cushion there. I'm gonna have to flip it upside down so I get some cushion back. And this side, it's a little flat too, but the other side is flatter. That's flat too. I'm gonna have to flip them both upside down. I'll probably just do it today or tomorrow during my zero. I am taking a zero at Front Royal though. Not Front Royale. Good morning. Here's our first little detour for a viewpoint. It looks like it's gonna be a good one. We've been going lower and lower in altitude though, so it won't be as super high views. Oh, it's a nice day. Look at the sun shining in the valley. Yeah, we're much lower now. Much lower. And the shadow of the mountains are still down there. Sun hasn't hit everyone yet. It's so funny, there's little hills here and there everywhere. And huge ranges, like one after another back there. Oh man. Alright. Let's get going and head on to Front Royal. I said it right. Usually water sources are always at the bottom of a climb, but this is actually like 2/3, maybe 3/4 up on this 500-foot climb, so it's pretty sweet. Good water source too. And it's really nice when there's a spot that's easy to collect water. Like right there is perfect. Put a bottle up there for a CNOT bag. Super nice. And it got to break up the climb, so I only have maybe like 200 feet to go. Although I'm carrying a little bit of water now, but I just ate a bunch of food too. It's about 6.5 miles to the road now, so almost done for today. And crazy thing, only about 3.5 more miles and I'm out of Shenandoah National Park, and I have not seen any bears yet. Same, it's like the repeat of the PCT. Oh yeah, wait till you get to Lassen National Park, you'll see bears there. Oh yeah, wait till you get to Oregon, you'll see bears there. Oh yeah, wait till you get to the Cascades, you'll see bears there. Ah, well, I'll see one eventually. The sad part is, every time I've seen a bear while hiking, it has been with Tina. Like, I've never seen one just by myself, walking around by myself. I kind of really want to experience that. I thought it'd be more of a thrill if I see one close up by myself van with someone else as well. Look what we have here, folks. Before we cross that, let's look around. Maybe there is a bear to see. Hey, one of the hikers talked to a ranger, and ranger said that the bears are few and far between right now. So I guess he meant they're kind of rare right now. Nothing, and we are out. No more national park, and maybe we'll see a bear right up here now. Okay, so New Jersey I think is my best bet. I'm pretty sure I'll see one there. I don't know what these yellow flowers are. I thought I've seen yellow flowers like these before, but the petals look like plastic. See how shiny that is? See how shiny the yellow petals are? It almost looks like it's a fake flower. Like just planted there in the middle of the trail. Shiny, and the petals are almost perfect. Too perfect. There's a bunch of these yellow flowers, and this one looks like a bug took a bite out of it, but look how shiny the petals are. Like that one. Even these little ones. They look so plastic or waxy or something. I think we finally come across the very top of the hill, the last hill before we go down to Front Royal. But those flower pictures I just took before, like normally I'd squat down and try to take different angles and stuff too, but lately, like the last few weeks, my toes have been killing me. Right and left foot. So squatting down with the weight and then sitting there for a minute just kills me. Especially towards the end of the day. Like today was only 13.5 mile day, but they're sore. I cannot wait till trail days to take a week off and just try to recover from this. I've been pushing hard so I can get to a car rental place on the day I need to, but I might have to get off a little before and then try to get a shuttle up there, because my toes at the end of the day, it's not like the end of the toes, it's the stuff all in the middle. I actually, earlier I decided I'm going to take a leave. I haven't taken one in a while. I've only taken 2 because I know they're bad for me, but I think tonight I am going to take one just to help reduce the inflammation and maybe help it heal up a little during this little bit of zero. It just have to last another week. But yeah, usually after like a 20-mile day at the end, my feet are killing me. No fun at all. I tried to massage it when I was at Luray, but it was just too painful. I couldn't massage it. I just let it be. We're going down now, almost at Front Royal. Now this tree is very, very noteworthy. I wonder what it looked like what, 100 years ago when it was growing on the side of the rock or growing next to the rock, but it's completely, like half of it is pretty much over the rock, and it's so healthy, strong looking, vibrant, and the full, I don't know, umbrella, I don't know, a full cover of leaves up there, and all very green. It's like someone's been hacking off dead branches even, or something. It looks amazingly healthy. But that is something. Quite something. You often see the small trees growing next to the rocks and you think what they're going to be like in the future, and here's a great example. Look how huge this trunk is. It goes all the way. Look at the base, it just spreads out. It's gigantic. It's a pretty nice tree. Anybody know what the deal with the fence is? I've been seeing fences for quite a while. Look at all the vines that have grown through the fence and they cut up. 127, looks like I made it to the road. I thought I was gonna be late because I got delayed by that tree and those yellow flowers. But check out this kind of nice picture here. It's nice. There's a walkway with some water. You got the AT sign. The water's pleasant, but in the camera it looks super tiny. Here's a high priority item I need on my to-do list here. I gotta find where this hole is and patch it, because I'm not getting good sleep because I wake up middle of the night and then I actually wind up staying awake for like half an hour when I wake up, so not good. So let's get this done. Let's look for bubbles. Aha! There it is. I heard a noise. Right in the middle. Not bad. Alright. I can't even see it. It makes no noise. I gotta get a pen. I got caught up fixing this that I forgot to record it, but basically with the repair kit it comes with this little gummy thing. You stick it on there and hold it down for a long time, and then you put this clear thing over it because the gummy is sticky on both sides, and then it fixes it up. It looks like a nipple though. Like that nipple part, I didn't intend to draw a nipple, and then this looks like the areola. And it's right there. It's like a one nipple sleeping pad. But that should hold, I think. Now to go fix my shoes. For my shoes, my right shoe is not doing well. As you can see, the lip is coming out and it's actually starting to affect the bottom part. And it looks like it's gonna come apart here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clean this out as best I can, and then just put a whole bunch of super glue in there and hope for the best. Just hold it for as long as I can, and hopefully that works. I thought about shoe glue. I've never used shoe glue before, but good old Gorilla Glue's always worked for me with the Velcro on the back. So give it a shot. It's a brand new one. Look at that. Looks normal, but let's see how long it lasts. They're both pretty good looking.